ọgọmọ na rekene omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene inechebe asisi eche na o inemi ya asisi eme na o inagozi ụmụ gị chidi ọgọmọ na rekene o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene jade si n'ịtọ na-epu ome dike na ana m ekene o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene 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 omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi nna na anyị nara ekene omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene inechebe asisi eche na o inemi ya asisi eme na o inagozi ụmụ gị chidi ọgọmọ na rekene o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o omemgbo nyiri dike o chidi ọgọmọ na rekene.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. Egwu ịnụrụ kịta bụ egwu si na ngalaba n'afọ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo n'Ugochi tụmụrụ ọdịnala temple a na-akpọ Nkwa group led by me. We have all the rights. Abụ na like ya bụ egwu ịnụrụ kịta jee na audio mark the iTunes and rest of them ka ị download onye bụ egwu. Yes, for some of you that are seeing me today for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite ma ọmụ Akajigo n'Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị bụ why you should not blame anyone for your misfortune. Why you should not blame anyone for your misfortunes. I want to pay attention to this topic. Believe in me, it's a unique one. It will help you, because what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. And I keep saying that if you are knowledgeable, you become a master. If you lack knowledge, you remain a slave. Before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of January. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. It's group ritual for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We have lots of testimonies. We started these group rituals over 3 years now. But as you all know, in the temple, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we are here. Because I can tell you, the kid in Eze-Ana actually, one day to buy, yes. I'm going to show you in Anyabaja. This is to go in the temple, Chuaja, go for Kubi in the Nation all over the world. I have Kubi Okunis in Bochita, this in the friends of the temple, and this in the children of the temple, and the person is in the Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission worldwide. I see no Makayaman, Nakakaya Mon, Jayamon. And I was in the Venezuela and then I like here in them. Then they share our administrations, both on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV. asịrị m dịka onye isi nchụaja na ụlọ ama nwụchu na ụlọ ama efuchu, asịrị m na onye isi ụlọ na-awa aja ya were nke chụọ. Asị m na unu ga-ejere obodo na-arụ obodo dịka nsi wee kwu na arụ a bụ the year of abundance na ọmaka ga-emere ụlọ ihe ndị ahụ na-emewuro n'ahụ ndị gara aga unu ya emewuye n'ara. Ndị n'ime ụlọ ndị alụbere ụlọ ga-alụ ụlọ, ndị alụbere nwaanyị ga-alụ nwaanyị, ndị alụbere ụlọ ndị agbabara moto chọrọ ịgbanụ ga-agba na ihe ọma niile anwa ibu n'obi na ọ ga-abịa na mmezu. Na ị na-alụ na ị ga-alụta n'ara na nwoke ahụ eriri oke nwaanyị ahụ eriri oke gị, mana ị ga-agbakwa mbọ na-agba mbọ ife odukwa n'aka gị, maka na ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na onye ngada kpuchie akwa agụ ekpughe ya. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonyere anyị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe, chaatị m na WhatsApp, forward ya token to the account number. Chaatị m na WhatsApp, agwa m other details I need from you in order to book you. A ga-achụgodo aja till the last of the month. Anyị jee na mmiri were ihe ọnụ na-eri jee chụọ aja to n'aha mmadụ niile, gaa na-akpọ ọkalete ndị mmiri ndị ọgbanje chụọ aja for favor n'aha mmadụ niile, gbagotazie na temple, jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebulu mee saraka, chụkwazie aja to entities of powers in the temple. Nwanne chụba aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. Yes, ngwara ajụ ọbụla mmadụ so ga-efunarịrị ya dịrọ possible. Then ọ bụrụ na ete interested ma ọ nwere ajụjụ inwe na nkụzi a, chaatị m na WhatsApp. Echefukwana na aja a na-achụ n'igwe na ị nwere ike isonyela ya ebe ọbụla ị nọ all over the world. Distance is not a barrier na ọrụ anyị na-arụ maọbụ n'afọ anyị na-agba. We can connect with you ebe ọbụla ị nọ. Chaatị ya na WhatsApp. WhatsApp nọmba ị ga-eji nweta m bụ 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. Ma ọ kwara 0813 8243871. I repeat, 0813 8243871. Then let's dive into today's lesson. Like I told you before we start, the topic of today is that you should not blame anybody for your misfortunes. So let's check what again. If you know why, this life we are seeing, we human beings, we are given mandate in Genesis chapter 2 to go and recreate, dominate, and rule the world. What I can tell you now without fear or favor is that you have the ability to create whatever you want to be happening in your life. The only difference is that you don't understand how things work in creation. That is the problem. Hosea 4:6, and I quote, that my people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. So go seek for wisdom, vision, and knowledge. That is the key. Any other thing will be added onto you. And I keep saying that before anything happens in this gross material world, this world you are seeing, you have no senap, you have no that thing must have taken on form in the spiritual realm. Whether that form will come into manifestation or not depends entirely on you. You can change whatever as long as that thing is still taking on form in the spiritual realm. Yeah, you can change it. And if you are knowledgeable and understand how things work. Some people we are month of festivity, right? Some people are still in the village, but some people refuse to go because they are afraid that now they may have gone. Especially some of you now told your name when you get a village, because I can tell you, all the cheer and you're cheering, and my hand are in me. What a clean Rubisi Nana Nisi Aguana Ragia. Come on, Nana neighbor on my water clean. Let me tell you what is happening in the spiritual realm for you to understand. In the spiritual realm, after creating the entire universe, ndị study goro ihe a na-akpọ metaphysics ya aghọta ihe m na-ekwu ọfụma. Enwere raw power Chukwu Okike debere in creation, and that raw power anybody can tap it. Yes, anybody can tap it if you understand how things work. However, what you use that power to do is your entirely business. It's your business entirely. If you use it for good, it's for your own benefit. If you use it for bad, it's your own minus. Because every human being must give account on how he or she lives this world. Whether you enjoy giver, whether you try your best to make this world a better place than you made it. Whatever you contributed, is it for positive or negative? If it's positive, believe in me, you will have reward after here. If it's for negative, those negative vibrations you contributed toward this creation must flow back to you, the originator. Because life is all about garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you drop here on earth, you think at to the river. Someone you took the one can even water from there. Or they can only hit the ball on the wall, it must back to you, bounce back to you. So what am I saying is this: know what you are sowing in creation. Whatever you are sowing now, believe in me, if you do not reap it in this world, you will reap it in the next world. Pure eating, there is no doubt about it. Because now, you offer no good. God, your natural laws of justice must do his work. I will go on, but so many things about laws. I want to name laws of retributive justice. One name were law of sowing and reaping. One name were laws of homogeneous species. You open the name and androa, whether my mother or from or my mother from. It's in a mother from and more from it. So let me give you the key. If you hear that theory, if you really want to change what is happening to you right now, that this life is all about what you give to creation, you receive back. That negativity does not pay. Fast lane. Succeed. But I can tell you that whatever you think that is succeeding, that makes you think that they are succeeding, is as a result of the grace. Maybe the grace they saw in their previous earth life. That is what is still driving them, propelling them right now. That is why they are succeeding. It's not because of their iniquity lifestyle or fast lane is paying. Example, you will see a lady, she's even very ugly, but she's into hookup, fast lane. And for the fact that she's so ugly, I understand nobody is ugly anyway. However, but she's not beautiful. Now, but you see good luck coming her way. People favor him, favor her. She's not the best dancer, she's not the best in anything. But people favor her. Sometimes they will buy a car. So some of you normally see what is happening on social media. The other day, they told us that one woman, one divorcee, bought a Range Rover. Some small time they will tell us that they bought a house worth millions of naira in Manan Island in Lagos. Sometimes they will tell you this one, they are flying all over the world. Look, all this is all about grace. Onwaro nke onye a na-eme karịcha. Enwere ndị na-eme times double ihe ọ na-eme, mana yet nothing. It's all about grace. And what is grace? What here and the man about grace is all about what you have labored in the previous earth life. Maybe because of where you stop in the previous earth life, you earn grace. It has been there that you will receive goodness of life. You will be a millionaire. You will live in mansions. You will drive best of cars. Goodness of life, which you have been longing for in your previous earth life. But you did not live long enough to reap all those things. And now, when you are in this present earth life, you start from where you stop. So all those indebted, as in the spiritual realm, you are supposed to reap those things, but you did not reap those things, and you passed on. Once you come back, you start from reaping those things. That's why I told you that what you hold email what I just told the come on more you. So now you are in this present earth life, and your prayer, your longing, your wishes, and your good work in the previous earth life and you mansion, living in mansion, enjoying life. So whether when you come to this present earth life, whether you labor so much or you did not labor so much more than others, those things have a way of coming to you. Sometimes they use destiny helper. That destiny helper might be someone you favored in your previous earth life, and the person owe you a lot. And the nature knows how to do it. Two of you will still cross paths. And maybe two of you might not even know that two of you will still have unsettled something in the previous earth life. But within you, you will always be having this longing to help, to change this person's life. You will be thinking that you are indebted to the person knowingly or unknowingly. You will be giving the person goodies of life to change her life. Are you following? Then, but it's karma that is free propelling all those things. But two of you doesn't know, because the earthly intellect which you two of you once used to live here on earth has decayed in the grave. So you are coming to this world with a clean slate. Therefore, you will not recognize who you were in the previous earth life. But something in you, small spark in you, will be telling you that you just personally like this person. It's not because all of her about whatever she's bringing to the table. That is mystery of life. So you will only understand this my teaching if you have already watched my previous lecture or reincarnation, our karma. So what I'm telling you is this, so that particular lady that is already in grace because of what she have sowed in creation in the previous earth life, in this present earth life, grace will be locating her. She's not even beautiful, but people will be there to spend on her. That mansion will come. For you, ignorant people, you'll be thinking that it's because she's doing to hook up or doing Ross. No. I can tell you, no, some ladies, they couldn't go but nobody na say walk and elego. Nobody is even care. They couldn't go. Those people that once you pass them, you must look back. Nobody is willing to even give them. They keep promising them. At the end of the day, nothing. She will be old. Nobody, even in one room, do not get. Half plot, do not get. But only have only caused some traffic during her time. It's all about grace. The same thing with your man. You will be thinking that those guys you see that are in the fast lane, maybe they join fast lane of Eternal. I don't want to start mentioning names. And those fast lane, I have mentioned them in my previous lectures. Those fast lane, you'll be thinking that it's fast lane that is giving the person money. No! I can tell you, many join fast lane and they met their water law. I'm telling you. They met their doom. They did not succeed. Because you are not destined to be a millionaire. Even that day, minions will enter your hand. Abadu de banana. They end there. You know again. So what I can tell you is the person is living out of grace. Is living out of old grace. But I'm gonna. By the time will come, those people that are living in grace, the previous grace, and now they refuse to keep cultivating grace. As in, they refuse to keep doing well in order to extend the days of living large. Time will come when they will exhaust those grace they are living in. and you will see them for yakata. Their end will not be sweet. So you can see why you should not be following people doing bad. No, keep doing good. Let me tell you, once you are sowing good in creation, you are using it to pay up your debt. Some of you, you have been indebted that's supposed to last for 50 years. Yes, but by being good, you might pay off the debt in 20 years. That is why you will see somebody that is laboring, working very hard. You will not see results. Maybe he's still indebted. Maybe by the year of 40, 45, 50 years, he will be free, he will be a free man. And maybe he will start reaping those goodies he saw over the years. So what I can tell you today is, don't say because you are you have been surrounded with misfortune, whatever. Don't give up. Keep doing good. Fruit in Shane says, and I quote, tough time never lasts, but tough people do last. Don't say they want to start doing bad. No. Chetako one adage that says, okay, soro ngwere ma mmiri, okocha ngwere na omaka oke. Nti odikwa. So don't do, see, some people are living large now, but they are exhausting their own grace. In their next world, they will chop concrete. By then, get one even do them now, you begin to reap goodies. Flag a change in a hand. Oh, yeah, but I think for some families that have wealthy families in the past, maybe in the 50s, today they are broke. Their old mansion built by their late fathers has decayed. You see those families that are very broke then, now they are smiling. So my message of today is, never you give up and never you backslide for the fact that you have been living a good life to the best of your ability, no result. As in, you are not that there is no result, you are not seeing exactly what you are asking for. I have said it times without number. Maybe what you are asking for is not yet time. Maybe you are asking for brains. Maybe your enemies are still alive. And maybe if you do your work, and hard work pays, you begin to drive praise. In their presence, they might be envious. They might plan to kidnap you or to kill you. But Chukwu no more I say one day when did not 2025 end now? Yeah, go see not 2026. No, no go say you can a state of grace. And because now more man and the logo will be end, their ending will end before end of this year. Now get was can be logo now. So that when that year good is come, you will enjoy it. But all the was say so. Or they will come more than so. More no. Emokwana so ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike bụ nnukwu ihe ka ọ nwere idea. Ogologo ndụ ede na-arụ isi ike bụ ka iwe continue doing good because of uru ike eri. Ihe na-achịkọwara gị mgbe ọbụla ị na-eme misfortune na ndụ gị, don't give up. Keep working hard and don't envy any other person. Ekele ọlụ eke. O nwere ndị bụ n'ụwa ụtụtụ ka ha ga-enjoy mana ha amadị ndụ wee ruo n'ụwa mgbede. So their own was fasting up. Ị na-envy ha. Mana enwere ike bụrụ onye a ga-enye ogologo ndụ. Ịdịgide ndụ dụkwute ife ọma. Ndị ụwa mgbede. So a plan on evil. Or don't think evil against somebody. Or be in a place where people are thinking about how to bring another person down. Oge chika. Keep working hard. Keep nature oge chukwu. Na-akpọkwa ụmụ mmụọ. Ihe njisi gị mee ụmụ mmụọ enyi bụ na ọ bụ n'ime ụmụ mmụọ enyi na ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa. Mgbe ndị ajọ mmadụ awa ga na-ezu izuzu na-tap that natural power that is natural, not to help people but to harm people. Mgbe ha ga-ese ndị ụmụ ajọ mmụọ, maka enwere ezi mmụọ a na-akpọ mmụọ ma nwa ajọ mmụọ a na-akpọ mmụọ ọjọọ. mgbe a ga-ese ndị a na-alụ ajọ ọrụ imegide gị, ụmụ mmụọ ndị gị na ha bụ 5 and 6 ndị na-alụ ezigbo ọrụ protect ya ga-esi onye a bụ onye nke anyị, he is one of us. Maka na anyị bidoro ihe a kpọrọ personal relation PR with them. Mana ọ bụrụ na o nwere ụmụ mmụọ gị na ha dị na mma, ụbọchị ahụ awụọ gị na. Are you following? ụbọchị anwa awụọ gị na. So you are building personal relation. Maka na o nwere ebe Igbo na-atụ ilu si na o nwere ebe onye oru kọrọ ji nwanne ya amarọ. Mana mmadụ na-agba aja egwu ibie na afịa until onwe ka o si wee dị iwe mara na ndị mmadụ ma ya wọt gbara ihe ime. Yes. Okay, let me use the election I made concerning Eze-Ana society in Oraifite. 2 months down the line, I wasn't in the picture. I didn't even know. I didn't even have interest or what about to know at all. Till one day we went for a meeting, our zonal meeting. Yes, it was in our Eze-Ana. We have zone A and zone B. So I'm from zone A. So the issue of the election, the upcoming election was raised in the minutes. And one person, we are now started to discuss, is it possible for us to sponsor one of us? And some people raised their hand and said they are nominating me to stand for the election. I was like, wow, I didn't think about it. So before you know it, the other person stood up and supported the person just like that. And for them, they said that they believe in me, that they will support me if only I will accept. I said, me, being someone that normally like to contribute my best towards moving our town forward. So I said, okay, since you guys believe in me, then I will contest. That is just all. I did not do any campaign. Even after the election, some of my friends were like calling me that I did not even reach out to them, and some of them don't even know that that day is the election day. Because some of them know this Christmas of hustling and bustling, so many engagements. One of my friends told me that he has emergency, because they have to fly out. So some of my close friends wasn't even there. But even some of those people from another village, as in Zone B, I was surprised. Some of them, most of them even voted for me against someone that is coming from their own zone. So what did I do? So all these years, we normally go to a meeting, and then people used to contribute their own descendants. Most times I stood up and did my own contributions. I don't know that some people keep, admiring me and believing me. So on the day of election, if you see the type of people that contested that election with me, you will know that this thing is not one of the contestants is an honorable member, former honorable member of the house. And the standing lawyer of great repute was there, and one other real estate magnate. There is a big goal. I'm telling you, this guy they are millionaires. I'm telling you, he came out, and at the time of election, the announcement was made that all the contested parties should come out and to address, with few minutes to address the members. I was the second person. After that, the honorable barrister did their own. At the end of the day, we started the voting. To cut the whole story short, I won. So what I can tell you is this: in life, you don't know. Just keep doing nice, being nice. Keep being nice. People are watching you. And whatever that is yours will be yours. Nobody can change it. So what I can tell you, that even if you are working hard now, you are not seeing the result the way you wanted it. Please, Never give up. Don't quit. Keep being nice. Very soon you'll be recognized. Don't say because you are not seeing the immediate result now you are quitting. No, quitting is a coward act. That's why I love this wrestler John Cena so much. His slogan is always never give up. And I can tell you, champions, great minds never give up. Yes, great minds never give up. One thing about great successful people are consistency. Even if they fall, they will stand up. Look at Donald Trump. Yes, I respect that man so much. Yes, one thing I love about him is he doesn't give up easily. Yes, who he believed that after the first one that he will still have mind to come again, and nobody even gave him a chance. He is underdog before the election, and today he is the president elect. I don't even know whether they have sworn him in. So, but what I want to say is that despite whatever challenges you are facing now, don't give up, please. Keep working hard. Even if you are not seeing results, keep working hard. I can tell you, hard work pays. Maybe some ajecho will protect your life. Some ajecho will spare your life. Some ajecho will so stop blaming anybody. If you don't like what is happening to you, begin now to sow good seed. Begin now to create something positive. And I can assure you, if you plant a corn, keep nursing the corn. The time of harvesting, nobody will stop you from harvesting your corn. I can assure you. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. See you tomorrow. No ga one keziokwu. I won't know where brother you at. I was I know you poor man.